PWD खात्याच्या इंजिनियरां खातीर समाज कल्याण खात्याच्या जोड पालवान बिल्ड एनवायरमेंट एक्सेसिबिलिटी अँड सेफ्टी ह्या संकल्पनेचेर खासा कार्यशाळा जाली. इमारतीची सुरक्षा, सिनियर सिटीजन आनी दिव्यांगां खातीर खासा इमारत बांदपा विशींची म्हायती दिवपा खातीर हे कार्यशाळेचे आयोजन केल्ल्याचे गोंय दिव्यांग आयोगाचो अध्यक्ष गुरुप्रसाद पावसकर हांणी सांगले.
हो जो वर्कशॉप आसा ते PWD इंजिनियर्स आसा तांच्या खातीर आसा. इट इज अबाउट मोर अवेरनेस, सेन्सिटायझेशन, building guidelines that have to be followed as per the rules and regulations and also as per the RPWD Act 2016. आमी पळयता खुबश्यो बिल्डिंग्स एक्सेसिबल आसनात. आमचे जे दिव्यांग भाव भयण आसा तांकां खूब त्रास जाता भितर वचपाक किंवा मूव करपाक. सो ताच्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता PWDची तोखणाय करता की तांच्यांनी आज वर्कशॉप हांगा अरेंज केला. दीस वर्कशॉप इज अ फॉलो आउट ऑफ अवर ऑर्डर दॅट वी हॅड पास्ड. म्हाका खबर आसता की फाटल्या दिसांनी एक आमचो जो भाव आसा हळडणचो, ही डायड बिकॉज ऑफ एन एक्सिडंट which was due to the bad structural design or whatever it is. So I think this workshop will tell what is required when how to make building accessible, and I'm sure they will do the necessary changes in the existing building and future buildings they definitely accessible astale. It is not only for persons with disabilities, it is for everyone. It is for senior citizens. Everybody is going to make use of it. It is for all of us. आमी नॉर्मली अशें चिंतता की इट इज ओनली फॉर पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटी. तशें ना तें आमी लक्षात घेवपाक जाय की केन्नाय आमी खंयचीय गजाल करता, इट इज फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन्क्लुसिव सोसायटी. We cannot say we are doing it for person with disability, nothing like that. It is universal design that we have to follow in the future, and I think that Goa has started doing it. I compliment Directorate of Social Welfare Shri Ajit Panchwadkar for taking the lead in doing it, and also would like to thank the Honorable Minister for Social Welfare Shri Subhash Phadesai, who has been very motivating in all these things that we are doing in this field. Thank you.